Hi, we're coming to you from Disaster Surveyor. In this episode, we'll be going over how information collected on the Disaster Surveyor app can be shared to external third-party entities. We have various ways that the various forms, waypoints, and GPS track sets collected can be shared and exported as well as downloaded out of our website. I'd like to first start with our various forms on the international app we've got here. Now to note, our CERT Surveyor and US domestic disaster surveyor do not have these forms. So these are just for the international search and rescue side. I'm going to go ahead and open one of these forms here. We've got the worksite triage form here. And I actually had one already open, so it went directly to the currently open triage form. But here I'm going to go ahead and select again a saved triage form. There's a list of triage forms I've got saved here. In the menu, there is an option for share. Now what happens is when we click on share, it will show a share panel. You're probably familiar with this, both in iOS and in Android. Applications that have the share option available will be listed here. This may be your email client, it may be a messaging client or a SMS app, etc. So you'll have an option of choosing that, and in the composition box you'll see a URL link that's generated that would be sent to the recipient. So for this demo here, we're going to go ahead and just click on copy, and that'll generate the URL for us for this particular form. Now that URL can be shared via email, for example, and when the recipient clicks on the link that's sent, a PDF form with that form information will be generated for them to download. So as you can see here, I just did a cut and paste of the URL that we just generated, and on the recipient side, when the URL link is clicked, and we're talking here desktop, other users outside of your network, so people that do not have Disaster Surveyor installed, regular folks with email or SMS messaging, etc. Now we also have this PDF report generation for all of our forms on the website. So here we're in the uploaded worksite triage forms, and we have an icon here for the PDF. Now we have this for all of our forms. So the victim forms, the sector forms, and the report forms all have this view PDF link. Now when we click on this, I'm going to pick one that has a photo here. Let's go view. Our website will generate a populated PDF report form with that information. On desktop, the sharing would simply be a matter of copying the URL you see in your web browser and sending that URL link to somebody via email. The PDF that you share will be publicly available until you delete that particular form from your account. So that would be publicly available for anyone you choose to share that with. Now, we also have different ways the data can be exported from our system. As you can see here, we have a link to download just the lat-long coordinates for the worksite triage forms, as well as download as a KML file. These files can be then uploaded to a tool that allows importing of GPX format files or KML format files. So I'm going to go ahead and select a couple of these here like so, and click on download GPX. That'll give us a little GPX file. We can click on download KML, and we get a little download KML file. And we can also click on download Excel, which will generate and download a Excel file for us. And in fact, if we try opening that here, we will see a USAR management tool that has all the information for the triage forms that were selected. Now we also have a fourth way that you can export your information, and that is to use our publicly available ArcGIS operations dashboard. If you have an ArcGIS account, you will have the option to log in with your ArcGIS account. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that here and log in with my personal ArcGIS account. It will give you a little pop-up to confirm that Disaster Surveyor is now connected to your ArcGIS account. Now, to show the forms on our public operations dashboard, simply select the items you wish to show on the dashboard and click on Send to ArcGIS. We're going to give that a couple of seconds, and then a confirmation will pop up indicating that the data is now on the dashboard. We also display a ArcGIS icon next to the items that are currently displaying on our public dashboard, which can be viewed by clicking on Operations Dashboard here, or we have a shortcut which is bit.ly/DS for Disaster Surveyor Ops Dashboard, like so. And if we go there, that will take us to our Disaster Surveyor Operations Dashboard. And as you can see, it has now taken the form data that we've selected and published them on our public operations dashboard available through ArcGIS Online. Now to remove this, we would simply do something similar. Select the items that are currently displayed and simply click on Remove Sent Items, like so. And if we do that and refresh our page, you can see the information that was published is now pulled and removed from public view. So we've made the data available for download, GPX, KML. We have the Excel download. We have the operations dashboard that you can publicly share temporarily, information without a ArcGIS account to third parties. We have the share option to generate a PDF of your forms and share those as well. Now for GPS tracks that were uploaded, we also have a GPX file that can be downloaded, as well as a KML file that can be downloaded. These are text files, so they'll look like a jumble of text with the information that was selected. And for our waypoints, likewise, we have a download GPX file, download KML file, and a download Excel file. So for example, if we select a couple of these waypoints here and click on download Excel, it will generate an Excel file for us with any photos that were attached as well in the Excel file. Now, for those of you using Search Surveyor or US, the domestic one, the downloads are the same in the waypoints and the tracks section. So if we go into tracks, we'll see a list of tracks again, links to download GPX files and KML files. And in the waypoints, same thing here. We've got a GPX download, KML download. And for Search Surveyor, we have an additional item here called Master Tally Sheet. And what that is it will actually tally up for you in FEMA format an Excel file with a count of the items that you've downloaded. We have the ArcGIS as well here. That was the ArcGIS we just went through. And just for completeness sake, we'll also like to show you the waypoints on the US domestic website that also has the GPX download, KML download, the tally sheet, and a special follow-up form Excel available just for the domestic version. So that covers the various ways that data can be shared in our app from our app to our website, and then from our website to various third parties you wish to share the information to. We hope you found this information useful. Hopefully our apps and websites are fairly simple to use and easy to pick up. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at support@disastersurveyor.com. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.